The time we had a show in General Trias, that one was overall it was great because we didn't expect a lot of fans to be there, a lot of people to support our show and our songs. So talagang overwhelming po, may tuwa-tuwa, and then like we gave everything out and we're happy that they enjoyed. And I guess only after the show was
siguro po sobrang saya po nila na makita kami, mahawakan.
Ayun nakawakan mo.
Parang sobrang, uy, Russell.
Talagang,
parang,
anong crazy doon? Nakawakan lang naman.
Parang nangyari po, parang nahiga na po ako sa sahig ko ng mga oras na yun.
May gusto ko yung sabihin, ayaw niyo sabihin.
Lalo mo si Joe mo yung sabihin, kita-kita mo yung ano eh.
Yeah, Joel lost his earring somehow.
Yeah, it was just crazy. Yeah,
Nawalan ka ng earrings.
Yes, I lost my earrings. People were touching all of us. They were grabbing our shirts and everything. So that one was crazy, but it was fun too. Fun and scary. It was fun and scary. It was fun and scary. It was funny for you because you survived. You left us. Okay.
Okay.
Yun, Neil.
Excuse me lang po, pwede po bang mag-CR?
Bakit ka kaya?
Hindi ko na po kaya.
So kung ka may crazy. Tell us for it.
Guys, pwede po mag-CR?
No, you stay. What's the craziest thing that happened with a fan or...
Yun nga, yun, nagdasal ako sa harap nila kasi parang nawalan po sila ng disiplina nung time na palabas kami ng...
And where are the security people?
Backstage po. May security po kaso hindi po kinaya.
Hindi po kinaya.
Nagkaroon po kasi...
Katakot yata yun ang mababa ka nasa gitna.
Tapos parang hirap na po kami lahat huminga, lalo po special po kay Neil kasi medyo maliit po siya.
Maliit pa si Neil?
Pero medyo ano po.
Opo, sila tatlo kasi nung nakauna, tapos nag-t-shirt lang sila, ako naka-jacket, kaya...
Ito pa yung may 20,000 na tao